Hey guys, Cowboy J.Racenstein here. Today we got the DIY wall mount kit. This is a full DIY setup, gives you everything you need to mount it. Alright, we already know how much flow this thing can produce, crazy amounts of water flow, 3.5 gallons a minute out to the brush. So let's dive in here and see exactly what we got going on. So we got two setups, we got two plates, the filter plate, the pump plate. Alright, on the filter plate we're going to have 40-inch stainless steel housings, 40-inch filters. Alright, we got the carbon, it's going to pre-filter, the dual RO setup, give you crazy amounts of water flow, crazy amounts of RO water, and the DI filter right here. This is what DI filter is going to get you that pure water. Alright, now on here we got the pump plate. The pump plate's going to have your dual pump action. We do have a 4-pump one as well, so if you're looking for more flow, more water. But here we got the RO booster pump that's going to boost water through these ROs into that tank. It's going to make sure you get the maximum flow out of those ROs. Got the delivery pump right here. This delivery pump's going to draw from this tank, push out 3.5 gallons a minute out to that brush. Alright, crazy amounts of water flow there. Plus we got this pump controller. Now this pump controller is going to give you full control over this pump right here. Right, allow you to dial up and down on your flow for that delivery pump. Right, increase the amount of water coming out to your brush, decrease it. Your solar, if you're looking for solar, increase that up to 100%, as much flow as you can. Dial it back if you're trying to reduce splashing around the windows. Alright, boost that pressure, 5, 6, 7 stories, no problem. Alright, we also got all of the electronics on here, the circuit breakers to protect all your electronics. Alright, we got the bus bars to keep organized, battery cables to bring in that power from the battery. We got a TDS meter here. This TDS meter is an inline TDS meter connected to your output line over here. You can give your TDS in real time, make sure you know exactly what your TDS is what your system's producing. And we got this pressure gauge. This pressure gauge is going to keep an eye on those RO filters, making sure they're running smoothly. We got no problems with pressure.